Hello, good morning, my dear students. And as we know, in this chapter, the 100 dresses in part first, chapter 5, how we know that Peggy and Maddie have lost their true friend Wanda. Now she has left the school and she has gone to a big city with her father. In this second part, Maddie and Peggy are trying to meet Wanda once again and they want to express their sorrow what they have done against her. Okay? And in this issue they are writing a letter. Which kind of letter? They are writing a friendly letter. Now we start from page number 77, first paragraph. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. This letter they are going to write to Wanda. They are praising about her drawings and they are giving the information that she has won the contest. Okay, that she had won. They told her how pretty her drawings were. Maddie and Peggy are praising in this letter, in this friendly letter, they are praising her drawings, how they were pretty. And they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. They also asked her whether Wanda liked her teacher where she was studying. They had meant to say that they were sorry. All these meant to express their sorrow, but it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter. It was just a friendly letter. It was just a general and normal letter to her, the kind they would have written to any good friend, in the same way as we write to our good friend. This letter was simply a friendly letter and they signed it with lots of X's. X's here refers to lots of love and kisses. At the end we express our compliments to our friends like lot of love, lot of kisses to you. In the same way X refers here. They mailed the letter to Boggins Heights where she lived. Wanda lived in Boggins Heights, so they mailed their letter to Boggins Heights, writing please forward on the envelope. Days passed and there was no answer. Many days have passed, but there was no answer from Wanda. But the letter did not come back. So maybe Wanda had received it. They did not know whether Wanda had received the letter or not. Why? Because Wanda did not give reply. Perhaps she was so hurt. On the other side, they are thinking that Vanda might have got this letter. However, she got that letter. She is not replying. Why? Perhaps she was so hurt. She was so angry. She was not going to answer. You could not blame her. But you could not blame her. You here, Maddie and Peggy, could not blame her because Vanda was right. When Vanda was teased by Peggy and Maddie and other girls when she was reading in their class, weeks went by. Went by means passed. Many weeks passed and still Vanda did not answer. Vanda did not answer for many weeks. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business. That incident. What incident? Incident occurred due to asking silly questions by Maddie and Peggy. This incident, Peggy had begun to forget the whole incident, and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Vanda. Maddie used to sleep at night talking about Vanda, defending her from great crowds of girls. What about? She was talking about about defending her from great crowds of girls when Vanda was surrounded by the crowd of girls. She always defended her from the crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with, how many dresses have you got? And before Vanda could press her lips together in a tight line, the way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out. When Maddie thought about Vanda, she pressed her lips in her mouth, and Maddie would cry out, "Stop." Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. इस तरह से हर जना उसके साथ किए हुए कारनामों के बारे में शर्म महसूस करता था. Now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. During Christmas time, the weather becomes very cool and it starts snow falls. During this weather, Christmas falls, Christmas bells and small tree decorated the classroom. Their class was decorated with bells and small trees and flowers. On the last day of school, before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. In this line, this is clear. Vanda wrote letter, definitely, but not to Peggy and Maddie. She wrote the letter to the teacher, and the teacher showed the letter before whole the class, before Christmas holidays. You remember Vanda Petronsky, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest. The teacher is talking to the children of the class by saying that you remember Vanda Petronsky, the gifted girl talented little girl, little artist who won the drawing contest. She asked whether they have forgot her, whether the students or girls have forgot Vanda. She is reminding about Vanda's behavior and Vanda's nature to the class. They must not forget her. Still they have remembered or not. Well, she has written me. तुम भूले तो नहीं हो उसको, किसको? वेंडा पेट्रोंस्की को, एक छोटी सी वेल टैलेंटेड गर्ल को जिसने ड्राइंग कंटेस्ट जीता है. वेल, तो फिर ठीक है. शी हैज़ रिटन मी एंड आई एम ग्लैड टू नो वेयर शी लिव्स. शी हैज़ रिटन अ लेटर टू मी एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड. हु इज टेलिंग दिस? द टीचर इज टेलिंग दैट शी इज ग्लैड टू नो the place where she lives, because now I can send her medal. I want to read her letter to you. Now the teacher is ready to send her the medal won by Vanda, and she is ready to read the letter before the class. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently. The class became silent and attentive to listen what was written in the letter through the teacher. Dear Miss Mason, how are you? And room 13. This question asked by Vanda. She is asking the question in letter, how are you? And room 13, Mrs. Mason. Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses, because in my new house I have 100 new ones. What she is writing here, कि उन बच्चों को, लड़कियों को कह दो कि you can keep all those 100 dresses which she left as the form of drawing, and now I have new 100 more dresses in my new house, all lined up in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with the red trimming, and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. One more important thing, she is emphasizing on the point that Peggy should have the drawing of the green dress with red trimming, and Maddie should have the blue one. For Christmas, I miss means I feel sad. I am remembering them by heart. For Christmas, I miss that school, and my new teacher does not equalize. No, in this letter she is expressing her feelings that Vanda is missing the school and the school girls, and the new teacher does not equalize means not as good as you are. No teachers, no students are good as you are. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. She has ended the letter by saying Merry Christmas to you and everybody. Yours truly, Vanda Petronsky. So, have you heard this letter? What kind of feelings are there you can find in this letter? This letter is full of her emotions, full of love, and full of simplicity of Vanda, which she is expressing about herself through this letter. Okay, on the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. On the way, Maddie and Peggy are taking their drawings very carefully. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. All the houses are decorated with flowers. Wreaths means the flowers arranged in the form of garlands. And holly here, leaves of holly trees. The houses are decorated with the flowers and holly trees, and their windows also. Outside the grocery, the shop where the things of household sold. General store, we can say, grocery. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked. Stacked means arranged. Hundreds of Christmas trees were arranged outside the grocery store. And in the window, candy peppermint sticks. These are the sweets. And cornucopias of shiny, transparent paper were strung. Cornucopias means decorative containers, bowls, usually full of flowers and fruits, are kept there. The air smelled like Christmas, and light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. The atmosphere, air means here environment, the environment is full of fragrance of Christmas and colorful lightings. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. Boy, Peggy says that she really likes us. Vanda really likes us. Peggy now admitting this, that Vanda, she really likes Peggy and Maddie and all the students of that school and teacher. It shows she got our letter. It shows that she got our letter. That's why she has written to our teacher. उसको लेटर मिला है हमारा, और हमारी फीलिंग्स हमने एक्सप्रेस करी है, और उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है कि वो कंटेस्ट जीत गई है. इसलिए तो उसने अपने टीचर मिस मैसन को लेटर लिखा. It shows she got letter, and this is her way of saying that everything's all right. Everything is all right. All the matter has ended. अब कोई बात उसके दिल में नहीं है, अब वो सारी बातें भूल चुकी है. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl again and couldn't ever really make things right between them. I hope, वो ये होप करती है. Said Maddie sadly, बड़े दुख के साथ वो ये कहती है कि I hope so, मुझे ऐसी उम्मीद है कि वो भूल जाए हर बात, और अब वो हमें वापस से लाइक करने लग जाए. She felt sad. Maddie felt sad because she already knew that she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl. She would never meet onwards. She would never meet onwards the tight-lipped Polish girl means Vanda. Tight-lipped Polish girl again, and couldn't ever really make things right between them, and couldn't ever really make those things will not be repeated again. Okay, and everything will be clear and settled between them. This is one part of this chapter in which this is shown that Maddie and Peggy are expressing their grief for Vanda, and they are intending to write a letter. Not they are intending, but they are writing the letter in an actual way. They are writing a letter to Vanda. Letter is friendly, but they have shown their feelings. On the other hand, Vanda has written a letter to her former teacher, Miss Mason, and everything is correct and everything is settled. But Vanda will not meet Maddie and Peggy again. So this part I finish here today, and read again this chapter and learn the question answers. Okay, bye. Stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands 20 times a day. Not only 20 times, but over and over. Whenever you touch anything, wash your hands and take care of yourselves. Okay, bye. Thank you.